It's your girl Ashley, if you're new to my channel. What's up? In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on these lashes right here. These are the Kids Falscara lashes. They retail for $20. They also have a different style. Like this one kind of has like the lash brand look, but it's not. If you can really look here, you can see that they're individual. But there's another kit that comes with lashes that look more like this, and that one is $25, $26. This one was $20. So with these, they're supposed to give you kind of like an eyelash extension look, but without having to, not stand, lay down for like 2 hours and so, and then plus the price. There's an applicator that you buy that will make them last about 10 days. I did not purchase that because I didn't even know, honestly. This is all new to me, but it looks like this has been out for a while. But again, if it's new to me, it might be new to you. So I'm gonna zoom you in and let's see what's good. Not me having you all close and personal. Listen, in the back of the kit, it basically tells you everything step by step of how to apply it. There's also a video that you can watch if you go to their website. But this is everything that comes in the kit. So you have your lashes, you have the applicator, and then you have the tool. We're going to be learning together. I couldn't figure out if I can apply mascara or not, so I'm not going to do that. I did curl my lashes. You can't even really tell. I try not to do like a crazy eye look. That way we can really pay attention to the lashes. But here we have the little bonding situation. So you're going to apply this side, which is the bonding. And then after you apply the falsies, you apply the seal. But it looks like mascara when you take it out. Let me see if the camera can focus. Look. Like a little mascara wand. So I'm just going to coat my lashes. I'm going to start with this one here. And it just says to apply from the root and up. It kind of looks like I'm applying mascara, honestly. Do you see? This one doesn't have any, and the other one does. I'm really going to go in there because it doesn't look like I have that much product in. But it does kind of make it feel like it's sticky, like when I'm combing it. It says to do a thin layer, and I'm over here like going all crazy. I just want to make sure that I coat everything. I feel like I need a little bit more on the outer part. So I'm grabbing a little bit more. I'm just going to apply it right over here. I like that this kind of tells you you're starting from the outer part inward, or you can do inward towards the outer part. Up to you, my boo. But I'm going to use a tool. I grabbed it out of my hand, the lash, that way I don't break it. But oh my god, it's getting sticky in my under eye lashes. Oh my god. I don't know how to do this so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Because the camera is like... It's supposed to... Sorry, my camera decided to die on me. But I have one. I zoomed out a little bit because I wasn't sure if maybe if I zoom you out, you'll get a better see. But all I'm doing is applying it under. And it says to kind of like... Uh-oh. It's supposed to just like stick, so... ¿Por qué no se está quedando? Is it stuck on here? Do you think that maybe the adhesive dried and that's why it's not sticking to me anymore? See, I'm cleaning it just to make sure. Okay, there you go. That one stayed. Okay, I know you can't see it right now. You're supposed to kind of stick them close to each other. I feel like they're not dramatic enough for me. Ooh, casi le rompo. I'm gonna add another layer, but in the middle. I'm going to use this tool to press them together and see if I can lift it. This one has lashes, the other one doesn't. I know when I'm looking down, obviously you're not going to be able to tell, right? But this is what it looks like when I am looking up. And that's when I added I had like one extra one, you can say. Added in the middle so it can give me that extra volume. But they do look very natural though. Can you tell that I'm wearing like lashes? Let me do the other eye because I was struggling with this one. Wait, before I even do the other eye, let me seal it. So we're going to grab the other end and we're going to seal it. And all we're going to do is just coat the lashes I'm still trying to process how the hell this even works. So these are the lashes now that I have put them on. This is what it looks like down. This is what it looks like up. Honestly, this looks a lot harder than it should be. I didn't think it was going to be this hard to put them on. But I know that I think it's this side, like towards the end one. I couldn't get it to be more straight, so it's a little crooked. But it's fine. I feel... It took me longer than what I thought. I feel like I take faster to put on strip lashes than these. But I think maybe once I get the hang of it, it'll be a little bit easier. But I can tell you this is I do not feel them, which is amazing. I feel like no matter what I do when I apply these strip lashes, I feel them all the time. So with these, I don't feel it. I feel like I'm just wearing mascara. So that's kind of nice because they're not literally on your waterline because you're not putting it on your waterline. You're putting it close to your waterline, but not on your waterline, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wear them and see how I feel throughout the day. And then I'll go ahead and check in with you guys towards the end of the day when we're going to remove them and see if any of them have fallen, how they lasted, and all of that. So I'll see you guys later. I'm currently on a red light, but I just thought about this. This is what it looks like in natural lighting, the lashes. Just wanted to point that out, okay? So I'll see you guys later. Hello, I am back, and it is currently like 7:30 p.m. And as you guys can see, the lashes are still on, which I'm very impressed about. I did not feel them at all during the day. None of them came out. None of them were poking me or anything like that. So it's looking pretty good. I will say though, I did a horrible job putting it on the ends of this one. Because if I look down, you can see that it's like hanging on for dear life. But I don't really see any like gaps. It all looks pretty good if you ask me. So now it is time to remove. I did not purchase the remover that they have, so I'm hoping that one of these works and then it doesn't mess anything up. I'm gonna try the Bioderma. Sorry, I'm so used to like hearing Ronaldo in the background, and then when I edit the videos I'm like, oof, Ronaldo is being a lot. Hold on, he's trying to get up. Hold on. I have my Bioderma, which I'm gonna be using and see if that works, as well as I have my oil-free, and I say it like this because it feels like there's oil. Oil-free eye makeup remover from Target. So, let's see. Let's try this out. Okay, I have the Bioderma, and all I'm gonna do is, hold it down. I feel like I would want to go ahead and give this another try, but me not using any eyeliner because I feel like, I mean, it did its job, but I'm so used to doing like dramatic eyelashes, so I feel like they just weren't popping for me. They're very natural, which is a good thing. So I feel like next time that I would do it, I would want to maybe not do eyeliner, so that way I can see the full potential. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to give this another try. I don't know what I'm supposed to do now. Like, do I keep holding it or what? I think I'm just gonna start like pressing down. Oh my god, does anybody else like rub their eyes? I'm like pulling it very gently to see if like it would do anything, but I don't know. I'm removing everything but that. Okay, did it rip my own lashes? No, okay. I was about to throw hands right now. No, it didn't. My concern with this is how the hell am I supposed to like put it back so that I can reuse them, because it's not like it has any like glue. I actually don't want to do that. I don't think that that one came out a little bit. This is not the correct way of doing it, because if I keep, it didn't hurt, but I feel like I don't want to like rip off my own lashes. I guess let me go ahead and try out with the oil one and see if it makes a difference. It says oil free, but I feel like it has oil. Or how do they do it? Because it feels oily. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my eye and let it soak for a little bit. It just feels so good to rub your eyes. Okay, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, let me pull down. I mean, that one, I quería salirse for a while, so I can't even say that that one was easy. Oh, but that one came out like a charm. like a charm. Oh yeah, I would definitely use that makeup remover instead of the other one. Now I am eyelash free. So let me go ahead and take off all my makeup, girl, because I'm looking a little crazy. Now me coming back looking all crazy. I have my skincare on. That's why I'm looking a little bit oily. But let me tell you, it was a whole freaking process trying to remove that like residue of glue on my eyes. Trying to see if up close doesn't look that bad anymore. Very little right here. Like, what I was doing is using the eye makeup remover and letting it sit there for a bit, and then I literally had to do it with my fingers. Like, if I touch right now, like I am, I don't feel it as much, but like I get little small clumps. You can't even see it. That like ball up is just like glue residue that's left. So that's a little bit of a pain in the butt if you ask me. Honestly though, I think that it's a pretty cool thing. I mean, there's a bunch of lashes out there, strip lashes, individual lashes. I've always tried to do individual, like you will always find some of these that you can do, but I've never been able to put them at least on like the top part of the lash line. So this is actually pretty cool. It was kind of easy, you can say. You guys saw me struggling at first, but I feel like once you get the hang of it, then it becomes easy. I want to try this, like I said, again, but without applying eyeliner, so I can kind of see what it looks like. If they came out with some more of these that were a little bit more dramatic, I think it would be kind of cool. I wonder if the bonding and the sealing work with like strip lashes. That would be kind of interesting too. But I don't know. I'll have to kind of circle back with this later on. But so far, I think it's pretty cool, especially for those who are not used to wearing falsies or have trouble. Because I feel like sometimes, no matter what I do, well, I have allergies too, but when I wear strip lashes, they're like a little heavy on my eyes. And sometimes it triggers like my eye to water. It's not because it's too close, because sometimes I don't even put it that close to my inner part of the eye. It's just, that's just the way my eye is built. But I think if you're a beginner and you like more of a natural look, then you'll definitely love these. If you are somebody who likes dramatic, then this might not be enough for you. But I think this would be like a great everyday kind of thing. I just don't know how to feel about like the removing part. I know with the stripping, you just take it off, you put some eye makeup remover and you're good to go. This one just took a lot longer, which was my little downfall to that. But I think that you should try it for yourself and let me know if you have. What are your thoughts on it? And if you haven't, are you going to try it? Let me know. I'd love to interact with you. You're more than welcome to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. I post later previews when I'm filming and all the good stuff. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!